Welcome back to Beauty and Food. My name is Za and today I'm going to show you on how to do a bouquet of strawberry covered with roses in a box. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, birthday and anniversary. Let's check it out. So this is inspired by Maison de Fleurs, whereby we're going to use strawberry to substitute the roses, so it will be edible. So what we need for this are strawberries. I'm using about 3 boxes of strawberries. It's up to you how many that you want to use. And then candy melt. I'm using a red color here. You can use pink, white, whatever color that you like. And then you need a box, but I'm using this. This is basically, my husband bought this chocolate, a box of chocolate, so I'm going to use this, recycle using this, and then black poster paper, a piping bag, a white chocolate. You can use dark or milk chocolate as well if you want to, and then the decoration like sprinkles, but I'm using this freeze-dried raspberry here, and then I'm using the edible glitter as well for my roses. Okay, and then ribbon, gold ribbon, and you also need scissors and knife, small knife, and ruler to measure the box and to put the black pepper inside here. And lastly, you need styrofoam as well. So before we start, I'm going to clean this and make sure that your strawberry is at room temperature. And I'm also going to melt the candy melt. I'm going to melt them with double boil method. You can use microwave as well if you want to, but I prefer double boil method. Before I forget, we also need the wooden skewers for the strawberry. Let's do it. So this is how the candy melt look like after I melt it by using double boiler method. Double boiler, basically where you boil water in a pot and put another glass or metal bowl on top of it. So the steam from the simmering water will warm the bowl gently with its indirect heat. So that's how I melt the candy melt here. Cut off the strawberry stem by using the kitchen scissors. Insert wooden skewer into the strawberry and make sure that the sharp ends is outside and not inside the strawberry. This will make it easier to put it in styrofoam later. Make sure to pat down the leaves so it will not touch the candy melt when you cut the strawberries. Cut the strawberry with the candy melt. I'm going to make 4 designs for this. For the plain design, I just dip the strawberries in the chocolate and let it dry on the styrofoam. For this design, after coating it with chocolate, dip it in the freeze-dried raspberries and coat it well. For the glitter design, after coating the strawberry with chocolate, pour the edible glitter onto it. Next, melt the white chocolate and put it in a piping bag. Make a line while your other hand rotates the skewer. For the box, I'm taking out all the chocolates inside and put it aside. Next, I measure the box on how many centimeters I need to add on the original paper to fully cover it from the inside. Trace the original paper first to get the shape. Add extra 2 cm for the shape that we traced earlier, so that we can fully cover the box with this black paper. Cut it with knife based on the shape that we traced earlier. Then fold the paper just like the original paper from the box earlier. Fit the black pepper in and put a tape to secure it. Measure the ribbon and glue gun it onto the box. You can make a ribbon design if you want to, but I want to keep it simple like this. Glue gun the styrofoam and put it inside the box. Now it's time for the strawberry arrangement, and it's up to you how do you want to do it. After that, I'll put back the chocolate from earlier on in between the strawberries to hide the styrofoam. You can also use shredded pepper here. And it's done! Look how beautiful they are. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Beauty and Food, click the bell for notification, like this video and share with your friends and family. You can leave a comment if you want to as well. Till then, see you in my next video. Happy Valentine's Day, lovelies. Bye-bye.